My name is Jimmy Stallings. I am the president of the payments group at Stride Bank. Stride is a traditional community bank that was chartered in Enid, Oklahoma back in 1903. Our bank has a long history of providing community banking services to the residents of Oklahoma and has gone through a transformation over the past several years where we've moved our focus from traditional community banking and expanded it to include digital banking and partner banking through our partnerships and relationships with fintech companies. This transformation, while it looks like it was fairly sudden, has been in the works for many years. Our CEO has been at the bank for over 50 years and has lived through a number of boom and bust cycles through the economy of Oklahoma, most notably tied to the agricultural and energy industries. Back in the early 2000s, the bank made a conscious decision to try and diversify our customer base and look to grow the bank through non-traditional methods, meaning getting away from the traditional branch model of bricks and mortar and looking at other areas where we felt like we had some expertise. Our bank has always been tech forward, even though that sounds a little unique in Northwest Oklahoma. Back in the 70s, we were one of the leading banks in driving ATM networks, both for ourselves and other banks in the area. And we also participated very early on in the Fed's original ACH program. So we knew we were good at moving money. And through the evolution of prepaid, which is where we really started in the early 2000s, we had a lot of different endeavors that some were successful and some were not. But as we moved into the 2019 era, we had partnerships with a couple of very successful fintechs. We were in the right place at the right time during the pandemic, and we're able to grow and scale our fintech payments business fairly rapidly. That business generally consists of prepaid cards, debit cards, and real-time payments. So we're connected to multiple third-party processors, both Visa and MasterCard networks. We can move funds real-time through AFT and OCT. We're also connected to the clearinghouse, so we have the ability to use RTP as well. And as FedNow becomes to gather traction, we're going to certainly embrace that and be able to continue to support our fintech partners with the emerging technologies. In addition to the payment side, we also have a fintech lending group. We've got secured credit product in market right now and are working to stand up some purchasing cards for corporate purchasing and also some installment loan products. So we're very excited about the future. We think that the world of fintech and partner banking is just beginning, and it's certainly a great way for banks like ours to expand our customer base, to expand our deposit base without having to take the expense of setting up branches across a state or a region. So as Stride continues to evolve, we will certainly continue to embrace that model and look forward to what fintech banking has to bring in the future.